Have you ever pondered the transformative power of a single exercise, one that defies limitations and can be accomplished anywhere? Imagine embarking on a journey that promises to sculpt your upper body, strengthen your heart, and fortify your resolve. Today, we dive headfirst into the realm of push-ups, unraveling the remarkable effects they can bestow upon your body, mind, and spirit. Picture this: a world where strength emanates from within, where your body becomes a canvas painted with determination and resilience. This world isn't a distant fantasy, it's a reality within your grasp, waiting to be discovered through the art of daily push-ups. As we step into this realm, let's unveil the story of how a seemingly simple exercise can weave its magic into every facet of your being. Have you ever wondered about the muscles at play when you embark on a push-up journey? It's not just about arms flexing, it's about an orchestra of muscles harmoniously working together. Envision your chest, triceps, and shoulders converging to create a symphony of strength, a dance of energy that leaves you feeling empowered. Each push-up becomes a testament to your body's ability to collaborate and grow. But let's delve deeper into the intricate web of muscles engaged during a push-up. Picture your major pectoral muscle, a mighty force responsible for flexion, adduction, and internal rotation of the shoulder. As you lower yourself, your triceps extend your arms, while your anterior deltoids stabilize the movement. Yet, it's not just about these primary players, it's about the supporting cast, the stabilizing muscles that ensure your body moves harmoniously. Let's journey beyond the physiology and explore the myriad benefits of daily push-ups. Imagine your body growing stronger with each rep, muscles awakening as they respond to the call for growth. With every push-up, you're painting a portrait of strength that extends beyond your upper body. It's a journey that transcends into a full-body transformation. And there's more to the story: the heart connection. Just as a painter infuses their work with passion, push-ups infuse your heart with vitality. Research has uncovered a beautiful correlation between the number of push-ups and heart health. Those who master 40 or more consecutive push-ups witness a remarkable 96% lower risk of cardiovascular disease. With each push-up, you're not just sculpting muscles, you're crafting a healthier heart. But let's shift our perspective and explore the protective embrace of push-ups. Our shoulders, often bearing the brunt of daily activities, are fortified through regular push-ups. As you lower and rise, stabilizing muscles in your shoulder girdle strengthen, forming a shield against potential injuries. It's as if you're weaving armor that safeguards your shoulders, enabling you to navigate life's twists and turns unscathed. As our journey unfolds, let's turn our attention to a region that bears great significance: the lower back. Often a source of discomfort, the lower back yearns for strength and support. Your journey of push-ups encompasses the entirety of your body, strengthening your lower back and enhancing its ability to support you through life's endeavors. But there's an aspect that extends beyond the physical posture. Just as an artist crafts their masterpiece with attention to detail, push-ups sculpt your core muscles, giving rise to a beautiful posture. With every push-up, you're carving a path to proper alignment, allowing your body to stand tall with grace and confidence. Now let's delve into the practical side. What happens when you commit to 15 push-ups every day? Imagine your journey from a beginner's hesitation to a triumphant accomplishment. The initial challenge gives way to mastery, a testament to your dedication and consistency. With time, your body responds, muscles growing more defined and confidence soaring to new heights. But remember, the journey isn't confined to numbers, it's about embracing variety. Push-ups aren't limited to the standard form, they unfold in various types: incline, decline, and even the advanced handstand push-ups. As you explore these variations, you're unearthing new layers of strength, resilience, and growth. As we conclude our exploration of the world of push-ups, remember that each rep isn't just a physical movement, it's a commitment to your body's potential. With each push-up, you're breathing life into your muscles, forging a bond between mind and body. As we part ways today, carry this practice with you, incorporate it into your days, and witness the evolution of your body and spirit. With that said, I extend my heartfelt appreciation for joining me on this journey of strength and transformation through daily push-ups. Until our paths converge once more, keep pushing, keep striving, and keep discovering the boundless power within you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, may your journey be infused with the beauty of strength.